We always give ourselves reasons as to why our intuition might be wrong, but why our crazy control freak, oh, I gotta do it this way, I gotta work hard to be rational, and blah, 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 why that might be right. Right? Let's learn to acquiesce and to embrace the ease of the process and embrace the idea that we can enjoy hard things, that we can enjoy the process of learning how to do things we don't currently know how to do, and we can enjoy the process of becoming who we want to become and enjoying the process of manifesting that which we want to manifest. Hello, my loves, my beloved Play Alchemists. Welcome to another episode of Everything Is Havefunable. My name is Majida La Luz, and on this channel, we talk about how making play a priority in adulthood is not only beneficial, but also necessary. We use play to make processes easier, solve complex problems, face challenges, and ultimately learn how to use play to create lives that we are thrilled about living and to help us ease the process of transforming into the best version of ourselves, the version of ourselves that we love being. So sometimes that means talking about using play to become more productive and, using play to shift habits in a fun way that doesn't make us feel like we are running down this perpetual path of just doing more, being more, and working harder. We're embracing ease over here, right? Sometimes it means using play to manifest, to meditate, to embrace the ease and forget about the things that make us hard and feel like we don't have time to just enjoy the lives that we were given, right? So if you are someone who is looking for a way to enjoy the path, to enjoy the journey, to becoming everything that you desire to be and creating everything that you desire to have so you can enjoy your life as much as you possibly can, you are in the right place. So the other day I was watching Tiffany TV and I saw her video called Manifestation 101. And she was talking about the role that each of us play in creating our current reality. And it was really interesting, and it made me think about some things that I wanted to add to that conversation and talk about on this channel. And mainly what I wanted to discuss is the importance of enjoying the process of manifestation, whatever it is you're trying to manifest. Many people get into this rut of, I want to manifest $100, let's say. And they write down, I'm manifesting $100 all day, every day. And they only think about $100 and they do everything to control them manifesting $100. And some of that is good. You do want to reprogram your subconscious mind to be in alignment, to attract, to look for opportunities to manifest that $100. However, the part that people get caught up on, unfortunately, is the control. We think, I need to control the outcomes. I need to manifest $100 in this way. And we forget to leave space for the universe, the creator, infinite spirit, however you address the energy that creates in all things. We forget to leave space for that essence, that intelligence, to sprinkle magic into our lives and perhaps even give us what we want in a way that we can't even conceive of, right? And the best way to get out of your own way is play. What? You just asked us to play? We are adults over here. And I get that. That is a common reaction because for so many adults, play is simply something that kids do while they're children to learn or to simply be kids. And that's it. That's the only space. But literally, humans are the only mammals that stop playing. And we only stop playing at a socialized level of maturity, not a biological level of maturity, right? So basically, one day, enough people have told you enough time to stop focusing on what makes you happy and start focusing more on what makes you a mature and responsible member of society. And we believe them because all of our caregivers and all of our loved ones already did that. And we believe that, okay, well, they must know the right way. They may have all the answers, right? But as we know in other areas of life, that is not always the case, and this was not the case. play is essential. Think about it. The last time you were laughing with people you enjoyed being around, tears were rolling down your face, you could hardly breathe, your abdomen's hurt, and your bladder was being tested. You thought you just might pee yourself in public. You were not thinking about controlling anything. You weren't thinking about any responsibilities you have. You weren't thinking about paying any bills or any deadlines. You were just in a flow state. And in those flow states are where we often get these bright ideas to try new things, when we're open to new ideas if somebody presents them to us, right? So why not do your best to stay in that vibrational resonance? Joy, on the list of vibrational resonance, joy is just under self-actualization and inner peace. It is something that you can put yourself into a state of almost immediately without trying. You don't have to sit and meditate with your eyes closed. You don't have to chant. You just have to enjoy the moment. And that's different for everybody, right? So how do I do that? I don't know how to play. I haven't played in years, right? Well, you're in luck, because there are 9 different scientifically researched play personalities, and I created a quiz to help you find out what yours is. And not only that, if you complete the quiz, you will get a free Havefunable handbook to help you understand your play personality, and you will also be able to have some exercises to help you understand how to play. So I suggest you listen to everything I'm going to say in this video, and then go take that quiz, which will be linked in the description box below. And then come back and watch it again once you understand your play personality, because I guarantee you'll get something different from my words. However, why am I not telling you to run right now, right? Because most people who are used to being rigid and doing things that are rational want to get things right. They want to take notes. They want to make sure they get the right answer. And this is not about getting the right answer. It's getting the answer that's right for you, right? And so sometimes you just have to internalize some things and trust that your consciousness and your subconsciousness are picking up on the best parts of what I'm saying that are right for you. So listen to everything I'm saying, internalize it. Then go do the quiz, figure out what your play personality is, go through the exercises in that book, and come back and listen to this again and get even more from what I'm saying. One of the questions I want to address is, how does play actually influence manifestation? And I kind of touched upon this before. However, I want to address it again because it's important. When you play, you put yourself in an immediate vibrational resonance of joy. When you are in a state of joy, you attract other positive things that are in resonance or in alignment with that vibrational state that you are in. And so, have you ever noticed that when you are happy, other happy people tend to attract themselves to you, right? And you probably repel other people who are not happy, who are not in a state of joy, right? And so it's not just about people, it's about things. It makes it easier to bring that which you want to experience, to have, to hold, to in your reality. It is easy to experience those things. They'll bring them to you when you are in a state of joy, in a state of vibrational resonance, and a vibrational match with that which you want, right? And so a lot of people, let me clear out what I'm saying even further. A lot of people think, okay, I want money. I need to be in a state of money. Kind of. I want money. I believe that having this money will make me feel free. It'll make me feel liberated. It'll make me feel happy. I need to be in the resonance with the feeling of the having of the thing that I want, not necessarily the thing that I want. So for example, if I want a house, there's no way I can vibrationally match a house, right? I'm a human, it's a house. But the feeling of having a house would make me joyous. It would make me feel full. It would make me feel free. It would make me feel accomplished. How do I feel those things now? How do I get myself into a vibrational resonance with those things? And again, joy, most things in the having of the things we want, we're going to feel joy, right? But joy also is such a high vibrational match of resonance that it's a match for most things that we're going to want. Is that clear? If it is not clear, please put it in the comments. Can you do a whole video on joy and how playing and joy, itself helps us to manifest? What is this whole vibrational resonance thing that you're talking about? Can you clarify that? Let me know in the comments. But essentially, Esther Hicks or Abraham Hicks is probably the master on this. They talk about this all the time, how the importance of enjoying the process of becoming a vibrational match to the feeling of that which you want. Also, Neville Goddard has an excellent book called Feeling is the Secret, and it talks about how being a vibrational match to the resonance of the having of whatever you're asking for, what you're looking to bring to you, is the way to go. It is the best way to manifest. Being in a state of joy helps us to become ready for that which we are trying to receive, because we are becoming a vibrational match. Yes? Yes? All right, I will continue. I want to make sure that I address certain questions that those of you who are new to the idea of using play as part of your manifestation process probably have. How does play actually influence manifestation, right? And I kind of already addressed this, but to say it again, when you play, you put yourself into a vibrational resonance of joy. Being in a state of joy, in a vibrational resonance of joy, helps you attract other positive things that are on the same vibrational resonance. And in doing so, you are more likely to attract that which you want rather than that which you don't want. Okay, next question. Can play truly accelerate the manifestation process? Yes. But to reiterate, acceleration of manifestation is not the goal. However, yes, it will. How does it do that? When you are playing, you are in a perpetual state of joy. When you're in joy, you are allowing yourself to be in alignment with that which you want, with what you want to feel and experience. And in doing so, you put yourself in something called a receptive mode. So you're not blocking anything from coming. You're open to what is available to you. Everything that is available to you that is unseen right now, you are open to it, right? When you play and you put yourself into a resonance of joy, it accelerates the process because it opens you up to being free to receive what it is that you want, as opposed to trying to control the outcome of what it is you are trying to receive. Next popular question. Can play help to eliminate blockages and obstacles that I find myself having to manifesting what I want? And the answer to that is yes, absolutely. Play, when you are playing, again, when you put yourself in that state of joy and you're not thinking about anything other than the moment that you're currently in, it releases you from whatever resistance you might be facing, right? So, for example, if you want to create a YouTube channel, but you have this fear of what people might think and how people might judge you and looking ridiculous and, how that might affect your family or the perception of people have with you at work or your friendships. When you're having a good time, I promise you, you're not worried about any of their opinions, right? It will help you to see other reasons why you could be doing this. It'll help you to be more in alignment with the reasons that things could go right for you, as opposed to reasons that things could go wrong for you. Okay, for our final question for this video, is there a specific type of play I need to be doing in order to help me manifest? And the answer to that is no and yes. No, because there are 9 different scientifically researched play personalities that are all different from each other. They have different strengths and weaknesses, different superpowers, right? And so you need to find out what your play personality or combination of play personalities are/is. You're in luck if you don't know what your play personality is, because I have a quiz. And on that quiz, if you complete it, you will get emailed to you a free Havefunable handbook that will tell you about the strengths and weaknesses of your play personalities, how you can use this play personality to help you manifest. and give you ideas to start making play more of a priority in your current life. So if you haven't yet done that, like I said earlier, please do finish watching this video and then go take that quiz and come back and watch it again, because I guarantee you, you will get more information afterwards. But please don't feel like you have to take notes, that you have to get the right answer. And that is the energy that I was talking about earlier, right? When you're like, okay, I have to do this. It's this level of urgency and control. If I don't do it this way, it's not gonna work. So I need to figure out how to make this right. No, manifestation is actually the absolute opposite of that. It is not, oh my God, I gotta do it right because otherwise it won't happen. Manifesting is more, dear universe, I want to X. I want to manifest $100. I'm not sure how to do that, because in my mind, it would require me robbing a bank or a person on the street who might not have any cash in the first place. And I don't want to do any of those things. And I don't think those are the best ways of me attaining that $100 that I'm looking for. Please help me out. Give me a sign. Connect me with the right people. Open my eyes. I am going to take the steps that I believe are necessary for me to take in alignment with what I'm asking you for. However, please sprinkle some magic into my life. Help me. Help me help myself. Please and thank you. And enjoy the process. Have fun. And you'll be amazed at what new ideas come to you, what synchronicities occur, what your intuition encourages you to do. And those are the moments that we have to listen to. And those are the moments that we often disregard. Oh, I just bumped into, this millionaire down the street, and he was talking about he wanted to give away money because his fiscal year required him to do that for his business. And, I didn't ask him what the requirements were. Or, oh, I had an inkling to call this person who works at a foundation that often gives money away to people like me, but they're probably, they probably gave all the money away for the year. We always give ourselves reasons as to why our intuition might be wrong, but why our crazy control freak, oh, I gotta do it this way, I gotta work hard to be rational, and why that might be right. Right? Let's learn to acquiesce and to embrace the ease of the process, and embrace the idea that we can enjoy hard things, that we can enjoy the process of learning how to do things we don't currently know how to do, and we can enjoy the process of becoming who we want to become, and enjoying the process of manifesting that which we want to manifest. And with that, my loves, I'm going to end today's session. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. And most of all, thank you for being open to evolving into the best, most joyous, and authentic version of yourself. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and ask me any questions that you have, because I'd love to answer them in the next one. Mwah! Besito. Sending love to all of you.